You have 24 hours left to live. No warning. No extra time. What do you do?
Heart attack.
Wait, why are you still sitting there? You are about to die. Imagine this. You wake up, stretch, check your phone, and bam, breaking news, you have exactly 24 hours left. Would you call that one person you ghosted for 6 months? Apologize to your mom for ignoring her messages? Finally quit that soul-sucking job? Be honest, how much time have you wasted scrolling, procrastinating, waiting for the right moment? Oh, but you'll do it tomorrow, right? Newsflash, there is no tomorrow. Now, picture this, it's the last 5 minutes of your life. You're staring at the ceiling, heart pounding, and suddenly regret punches you in the face. The dreams you never chased, the chances you never took, the love you never confessed. And now, too late, game over. But wait, what if I told you you're not actually dying today? Phew, that was close. Huh? But seriously, why do we only realize what matters when time is running out? Why do we wait for one day that never comes? What if you actually lived like today was your last? Took risks, spoke your heart, stopped caring about what people think. Here's the challenge. Do one thing today that your future self will thank you for. Rewatch this video every morning until you actually take action. And if you feel lost on what to do next, well, lucky for you. My last video is literally called Watch This If You're Lost in Life. Go watch it now, before you regret it. And hit subscribe unless you love wasting time. But hey, it's your life.